Shut up. Hello guys.
Why, boy?
Stop the cow. Okay, wait, hello guys. Welcome back. Girl got it. Today I got a super ginormous hypothesonic conclusion, impossible chance, and actually I got drum roll, and I got is this thing which you might don't know what is the ember lily, which I got an ember lily from the stock. So this is great, but for a small YouTuber like me, it's gonna be super chaotic. So this is my tree for today, and so I have some ember lily and the water cat. Water ember lily. Okay, faster. The white wall will grow. Like okay, faster. Ooh, it just boosts up. I really want this and also I got the high fruit. Okay, this is the high fruit, but can it trade for the hive because it's like pollinated. Oh my gosh, I'm about to be on top of this. Can I? Oh, pollinated. Okay. So how much is it worth? Oh, sell this. Kinda cool. No worries. The GM family is getting away because of my richness. I shall embarrass my friend against. Okay, I have a friend that have an ember lily though. That I am not. Okay. Faster. Grow up, already. I got an ember lily. Okay. Let's get it. Yo, let's go. We got the monster beast. Circle. Any moment. Okay, oh my gosh, look at that coconut. Okay, how much does it? Okay, I got an ember lily. This is my brother. He didn't. Okay, so I want to know what is his average growth. Okay, how low? No, how much is the wood? Kind of cheap, but money making. Okay, I'm gonna type in here. Yo, I got.
Yo, guys.
Stop the cat! No!
His name is Johnson.
Stop the cat!
Which is Sweden.
Stop the cat!
His father named John.
Stop the cat! Okay, tell
It's not a cat.
It's a cap. I'm gonna cap your life. No, it's over melon. It's over moon melon. Okay. Look at me. I'm the super king.
Trust me.
Stop the cap! Stop the cap! Stop the cap! No! No! Okay. Please subscribe to him because look at that. I got the rarest ember lily, which only exists. Look at that. It's actually very cool. And get the heck out of it. Stop! Okay. Here there is.
Trust me.
So this is the the vine, the prismatic, which only got is 0.1%, but at least me got it. Okay. Stop! Stop the cat! Ow! Okay. Okay, he's playing some cool stuff. Then from here, can if it's a pollinator. 7 minutes for bee swarm event? Yo, it's got it, bro, it's a zombie in dead rails. No, what the heck? We're gonna beat. Stop! Okay, he got very cool. Wait, that he got beanstalk. That's pretty cool.
Trust me.
I'm not trusting you, young man.
Just me, guys.
You must post your own videos, don't steal my. Stop!
Not stealing anything.
Stop! Oh, what this could be?
I
Stop.
didn't.
That,
You
oh, what
any
is-
video.
I got a rainbow seed. I got a rainbow seed pack. Tomorrow I got a rainbow seed pack. That'd be cool. That was so many. Stop. Oh, he got cacao. Pepper. Yo, that beanstalk is cool. Yo, I got. Wait, I don't know how to spell, guys. Please do not report me for this. But I will. Yo, I can't see. Can't see. Ember lily. Okay, yo, I got Ember lily, and let's see how they react. Okay. To my garden. Okay. Yo, let's see what else. Come on. Come here. Why is there a dog? Okay. Look at that. I got okay, maybe I'm okay inside, but I'm still cool. Yo, see, you have been talking. Look at my beanstalk. My legs. Okay, what's my daily quest? What is tuna sees nowhere. Oh my gosh, we're gonna ember lily. I want to fight. Who's got the biggest ember? Okay, look at mine. I got an ember lily. Okay, I might not have to be so brightly because I'm scared. Okay, I do not know what to do with account. Oh, I got 3 cactus. Oh, celestial berries. Okay, I might not have to be too good. But popcorn of the cacti. Actually, you can't. Okay, so oh my gosh, I got some mutated mangoes. This is my plan goal. I'm going forward to beanstalk. I think I might too brownie because it's just what you fight me for this. Flower seed pass, lavender seed. Yo, by Nicholas Satan. Okay, look at this. And this is named Nicholas Satan. Fruit? Oh my god, the high fruit seed. I'm about to beat my friend. Okay, almost come near to the pollinated. Okay. Okay, I want to go on top. Oh, towel. Okay, just. Oh, not. It's gold. Okay, it's pollinated. Okay, I need to buy that thing. I love beef food. The beef food is a steak. I haven't frozen the one. What the? You got sunflower? How can you get sunflower? What? That thing just started. Okay, okay, I only need this seed pack. Please, I need business. Give me
Please.
I want to have a flower seed packs. I love seed packs. Those are my favorite.
Nah, good.
I don't know how to add, so please do not say any bad word, please. I do not know how to add.
Nah, good.
Stop!
Why? Why would I?
Because. Okay, I got 10 honey. Yo, this is good. I got 10 honey. Pretty weird. Stop right now, or I. Ah! Oh, okay. I like the Nicholas.
You like the nigga?
Oh, big. I said the Nicolaton. Miss.
You said what?
I said
You
Nicolaton.
cook. You are cook.
I
You
said
did
the-
that video.
I
YouTube
said
gonna ban you.
I said the Nicolaton. The neck. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce.
You cook meat. You cook. Just me, you cook.
Stop! Stop!
You cook.
No,
Yes, you are. I say so.
it's not it. Wow, I got a nick. Okay,
You got the
stop. Okay, let me see.
you got the N word.
I got the. Oh wow. Okay, let me see.
You got the N word pass.
No. Please. Oh, honey, what way? Oh, I got oh wow. Oh, damn it. Oh wow, new. You got the Nicolaton shade. The Nicolaton shade. Beehive food we had in monitor. I'm charged on this BX. I believe on everything of you. Please do not buy. Oh, I got turn honey. I want to show you honey. The BX stuff. Yippee! BX! Business turn out. What do you mean? Look at it. Come on. Look at it. Oh, wait. Where does this candy come from? Not even my god. No, my gosh. I am fooling myself. Oh, no. Can't see. Oh, event shop has been reset. Go. I'm hungry for quests. I want to trade honey. Okay, let's see a bee crate stock. Okay, bee crate, bee share, everything is in stock. The Nicolaton stuff! Come on, we need to steal this. Let's go pollinate the bamboo. Stop, don't steal my Nicolaton shading path. Or I will freak eat you. No, I will not give you this. No, I won't. Wait, I want. Get out. Oh, wait. Only 4 kilo? What do you think you are? Yeah, we're gonna pollinate the bamboo. Please do not steal my Nicolaton shading path. I will just eat
Anh
you.
còn đâu có đuổi hơn tào lao gì?
What? No. Don't tell me how to check. Oh, where? Give me give something cool.
Anh ơi, Thanh nói tào lao gì á Hân, anh còn đâu có làm gì Hân đâu.
Pollinated.
Anh còn đâu có gạt như vậy, anh còn đẩy Hân ra mà.
Okay.
Đúng không? Đẩy bình thường mà.
A food in my garden have pollinated. Yo, I need to pollinate right now.
Tại sao hả?
Or I will be dead. Please. Yo, wait. No, that's not enough. I need a coconut. Get me up.
Thanh giờ.
Get me up that coconut. Get me up that coconut. No, I need the coconut. That's from my line. Okay. What? Pollinate the coconut. Please, no one steal my coconut.
Ôi, anh có cái chữ này không?
Alo. Con đang con xuống từ hồi sáng rồi.
Oh, Nicholas, stop without double. Cool. I don't know.
Có gì uống với đồ nghe em nghe. Giờ đấy.
14, 15,
Mưa quá
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thật bụt luôn mà ghê quá à.
Okay, good. First.
Đà dưa.
Có 10 honey. Okay.
Dạ.
Give it.
Thôi,
What?
phải nói thôi.
9 kilo. I don't want to sacrifice this thing. Oh, apple. Where? big fruit. Big fruit. Big fruit. You got a beast. Pollinated. Pollinated. I like pollinated. Okay, give me pollinated. Oh, cranberry. Orange tulip seed. Run! Please! Do not steal! No steal! It's just like that. No steal, please. Only 2 kilo left.
Mèo nào bên nhà chưa được.
Pollinated tomato. Where? Where? Oh, cool. Okay, I'm done. Oh. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. Big. Pollinated tomato. Where? Where's the pollinated fruit? Where's the pollinated? Stop. I will eat you live. I'm parkour master. I'm a parkour photo. What the? Come on! I need this. I need it for my adventure. Yes, go. Let me guard this thing. Okay, so I don't know how it works, but it should attract more bees. Okay. Only 25. Pretty. We need more. Oh, great. I know this dude. I know this dude.
Cái chuyện gì?
I got 10 honey. Is enough? I love to have. Yes, it's enough. Let's go. Nectar staff. Oh, wait.
Mày ra cho nặng sữa.
Okay. Yo, got the nectar staff. I got the ember lily, and my god, it costs $10 billion. Get out. Stop. Okay, please. Oh, okay. Hey, what did it just say here?
You nag.
What did you just say?
You
Okay, I need to put.
You are the nagger. That's not an N word.
But that half and
Nah, it's not.
yes, go. That will attract more bees. Yeah, we got the double swarming. Okay, I'm gonna hippie mosquito. Stop. Oh my god. Okay, there's the next staff table. They have feet for a lot. Why can't anything come here? I got the highest bamboo. Okay, this is my new highest point. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these things. Make the staff will track and pollinate. Yeah, let's go. They're doing some great progresses. Stop.
You have no neck. You have no neck.
Stop.
Yes, you have no neck.
Tulips. See? Wait, why can't I plant it? Pollinated cacti.
You just found out that you have no neck.
Yep.
Oh, you know it? That's good.
Electro frozen.
Try and logo.
Okay, give me something cool. Something that's cool. A raspberry? Okay. A golden raspberry. It's a track bee. No. And moment. Let's just have track bee and put it. Yep, look at me. I got the free money. Okay, so if the bee swarm event ends, I'm gonna have. Okay. Next step. Yup, look at that. Can't connect it yet because it have not do not grow. Okay. For an apple. Okay, I got a big apple. Okay. It's like frozen and also like like a moonlight. Like a moonlight. Yo! That's for my quest! Yes, go! That's for my quest! Stop.
Careful.
Okay. Let's go. Yes! The honey crate! Look at me, got my honey crate. Okay, I'm sorry for being British. Yes, go. Okay. I know what's gonna happen. I know. I know it. Oh, damn it, this is a whole seed pack. Okay. In that moment, I'm gonna gamble. Okay, do you have double column name related? We don't know, but do we got any? I've got about my bee egg. That really takes.
Oh god, it is a real she.
What really just? Oh my god, it takes 4 hours. Yo, did they?
Oh god, it is actually a real she.
Real what?
Real she.
A she, huh?
Plus a T.
Okay, please. This is not family friendly, master. You happy. You nice word, huh? Oh, I got 3 cows from nothing. Let's see. Stop. Okay,
Rất rồi Hận ơi.
my thing stop. I got free chicken. Fox glove. Okay, fox glove not fully grown yet, I think. No, fully grown. Why can't I collect it? Excuse me, I'm kissing the fox glove. Ah! Whoa, I know how to do it. Okay, I'm a parkour. What's this? I'm the park master. I'm a parkour. I'm the real parkour legend. I'm gonna get up the Mount Die Point. The highest mount in the server, I think. Wait. Yo, I'm on top of the tree. But it isn't that high. I'm gonna showcase everything. I'm going golden. Ah! Oh man, we caught out. Oh, foxglove. Holding a foxglove. Okay, where's the sun? Pet bunny. eat up. Also, before I leave, I want to buy a pet. I want to buy a pet shaker this time.
Cái gì nè?
A B D da 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 da. Oh, ready. A sweet reward, whatever what I'm doing. No.
Đây.
Yo, later still here. Okay, I got a bee crate. Of that, I got a honeycomb, a bee chair, bee torch, honey walkway, which that's pretty cool. I like the bee torch, but I would love to have a walkway.
Nếu ta
Okay,
của người ta hay ta của mình.
I don't know. Okay, I got a honey walkway though. Let's see. Okay, I have to talk to Master. Yeah, that doesn't have decoration item. Cosmetic. What? No. What? Yo, bamboo's in stock. Let's know it. Okay, got Emily Lee. Oh, wait. No. But where is it? What should I do?
Dấu vết của em chị ba nó là đâu?
Uh-huh.
Cái mùi là thế.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's my best. Yo, put one like. This will be my fan subscriber. Okay. Next game, I'm gonna play fireballs. I didn't mean to say fireballs, but Wait, I need to say so. I'm gonna take it all fake. What the hell? Oh my god.
Ô mày nạt gơ.
I'm looking for fake growing. Da.
Rô. Cả. Nụ.
Wait, you have to say modded. Okay, what is mod? Okay, stop punching me. Okay, oh my gosh, look at. No. What the heck is that? What? Wow, they got 20,000. What the? Any? Where to see some? What? With the? What is raspberry seed? Papaya seed? It doesn't have banana seed, mango seed, pineapple seed, peach and pear seed, oak seed. Wait, hold up. Welcome to the Dynamo. So we did get have a drink java fruit. Okay, oh my gosh. It doesn't let me out. Okay, that's the boss. so my friends say play the called Grow Garden Hacker. I don't know. Bro's playing Grow Garden. Let me flex him. Let me flex his money so I can like explode him into pieces. Because he's like a poor guy. Okay. Here we have a beanstalk.
Bruh, you are dirty.
No. I have ember lily. Yo, I want to play with a friend. Okay, no more. No one even test it. I want to test this game. I would like typing Grow Garden. Here we go is hacker. Find girl out. Grow a hacker. Grow candy. Grow your what? What's that on? Okay. What day is it? Bro. Are you serious, Ninium? Okay. That looked unreal. Why didn't I click on it?
Grow up.
Okay.
Grow up.
Okay. My brother is right. That is very fakey.
Freaky.
Fakey. Are you?
Freaky.
Oh. No, new game mode.
Hey, what you want?
I want you and me to play rivals.
No.
Okay. Then don't bash me.
Là gưa.
La challenge. Stop twisting my arm.
I will keep doing it.
Okay.
Until you
You two shut the what?
shut your mouth.
Okay, this is for the night because my brother's winning a lot.